My name is Sanjeev Kaushik. I have served 11 years at MNCs like Thomson Reuters and Dell International Services, an IIMB alumni. I'm also an active member in entrepreneurial forums like the Indus Entrepreneurs, and I bring in the approach and enthusiasm to solve difficult problems, including operations, the people management, etc. Param, the next member in the team, has over 11 years of experience in operations management and projects at Thomson Reuters. So he's an MBA finance professional and brings in that expertise on project management and is responsible for operations and project management at Mobitrolley. Chandan has over 3 years of experience as a software engineer on Microsoft .NET and other open source platforms. He has done his BE in computer science and masters in information technology from Coventry University, UK. Chandan aims to lead the development of Mobitrolley solution and building a robust product that meets the retailer's needs. Mohan is a BTech graduate. He brings in the required technical expertise with knowledge in Java, J2SE, SQL, XSJS, Oracle 10G, XE, etc. He is the person who has developed the web application on retailers called SmartStock. And prior to joining the team of ours, he has been into freelance development with a couple of projects on building relevant tools to manage agricultural data. So he's focused to build on retailers application on SAP HANA. Khrishik Mishra is a BTech graduate and has 5 years of experience at Infosys and Robert Bosch. So he has contributed to the Mobitrolley along with Bhupen Chauhan. He's the original. He made the original pitch of the idea at startup weekend of Mobitrolley, but later on we were able to convince him to join us. But right now he is currently pursuing his master in science on earth-oriented space science and technology at one of the great universities in Germany. Bhupen is a BTech graduate. He has brought in the great technical expertise on developing Mobitrolley consumer app for us. So he holds the source code of it, and he, along with Khrishik Mishra, had won a lot of awards and accolades in some of the great events by developing apps. So he is also responsible for developing the Android app and other mobile devices native applications as well. So he's focused to do on that. Thank you.